Greetings, AP Human Geography, AP Hugs. My name is Mr. O'Gara, Mr. OG, you can call me OG, I like that. I'm just going to let you know this is going to be one of our hardest classes, but it's also going to be one of our most fun classes. So let's look at what we're going to be doing this year in AP Human Geography. Okay, I know you've heard this before, but an AP course is very much like a college course. It's going to require a lot of effort on both of our parts, not just yours, it's mine too. I've taught AP before, but I've never taught this particular class before. So we're going to learn a lot from each other. Now, the main thing I want you to know is you can contact me at DOGARA@OdysseyK12.org at any time. That's my email address. I need you to email me whenever you have any kind of questions. So that's very, very important. All right. Now, I hope many of you are returning to Odyssey, or if this is your first time. The way that I run my classes is you go through everything on the home page. So you can see a picture of the home page here on slide 3. And it starts with announcements. Now, I didn't put the whole page there, but it starts with announcements, and you'll have the assignments and everything. The assignments will be put up on a Sunday or a Monday and be due the next week. And all the dates and everything will be right there on the home page. So don't go into the grade book, go right on the home page, and everything that you'll need will be right there. That's how I run things. And if you're new to Odyssey, email me at DOGARA@OdysseyK12.org. You're going to hear that a lot of times, guys. But that's where we go. We go right to our homepage and we go from there. Remember, homepage. Thank you. All right. Now, you guys know that because of the coronavirus or COVID-19, we're not in school. So what we got to do is we got to do things we normally do, but we got to do things a little bit differently than we normally do as well. So check Moodle every day and make sure you do your attendance quiz in every class every Monday. Every class, every Monday attendance quiz. That's something that you'll need to hear in every one of your classes, but you heard it from me here. On Wednesdays, we are going to meet in Google Meets from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., not p.m., a.m., for 2 hours, and that's exactly what we're going to need for our class. And in that class, we're going to go over the work that you've had in Moodle. We're going to cover some of the new stuff that's coming up in Moodle. And also, we're going to have a little bit of fun with that. We're going to do some Kahoots. We're going to get to know each other. So make sure you write it down right now. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Google Meets. Now, if you don't know anything about that, don't worry about it. I'm going to explain it on the next slide. But if you need to contact me at DOGARA@OdysseyK12.org. I know I've said it a few times, but I know that that's what I want you to do. I want you to contact me with any kinds of questions, but I also want you to know that we're going to meet on Wednesdays from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. in Google Meet. Now, I'm going to explain how we do that in Google Meet on the following slide. Okay, Google Meet. Maybe many of you did it during the last semester when we were home from school, but to go to our Google Meet, you have to be logged into your Odyssey email. Log in your Odyssey email, then you go to meet.google.com, meet.google.com, and then when you get there, it's going to ask to join a meeting. So you hit join a meeting, and then you put under nickname, you put DOGARA. DOGARA. Okay, that's my name. My first name is Dan. That's where that comes from. Okay, now, our meeting time is from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Wednesdays. So you'll go in there on Wednesdays. Now, that's our meeting time. That's just us. That's just AP Hugs. We're the only ones there from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Wednesdays. I might have said p.m. Just, we're not going to be there for 14 hours. We're going to only be there for 2. So now I'm also available in Google Meet. The same standards. You just go in there to meet.google from your Odyssey email. I'm in there from 11 to noon and from 2 to 3 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. And I'm not in there on Wednesdays because I'm in there with you from 8 to 10. So that's what we got to do. So what I'm going to do on the next slide, guys, is I'm going to explain a little bit what you do once you get to meet.google.com. And that's what we'll do on the next slide. When you go to meet.google.com from your Odyssey email, you just have to be logged into your email. The first thing you see is the top picture there, and it's going to say join or start a meeting. So you're going to join our meeting. When you click on to join the meeting, it's going to have the next box down there, the bottom box that says enter the nickname. Well, the nickname is my name. It's DOGARA. D stands for Dan. And then once you do that, you're in. And I'll be there, and we'll start our meet every Wednesday, starting on Wednesday, August 19th every Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. That's what you do. Now, if you want to meet me, I'll be in there from 11 to 12. And I'll also be in there from 2 to 3 every other day. But those are, other kids will be in there too. My U.S. history classes, my world history classes will be in there. But from 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. on Wednesdays, it's just us AP huggers. We won't be hugging any of those other jokers. It'll just be us. All right? All right. Now, we've gone over the basics. If you have any questions at any time, email me at doguerra@odysseyk12.org. Absolutely the best way to reach me. I've also on this slide, I've also included a Google text. Maybe you or your parents, you want to talk to me. Text that number that you see under Google Voice. Say, hey, Mr. O'Gara, we would like to talk to you. Fine. I will get that as a text message. Then we can set up a time to call. You know how it is. We don't want to play phone tag. That'll eliminate the tagging. But again, if you want to reach me quickly and it's an email question type thing that I can answer, boom, you got me at email. If you want to set up a voice call, we can set it up through Google Voice. You can also Moodle message me. I've been getting Moodle messages from you guys already, and that's fabulous. They're not quite as fast, though. I don't have them on my iPhone. I don't have Moodle messages on there, but I do have the email. So make sure, if you're going to contact Mr. O'Gara, you contact me through email first, Google Voice next, Moodle, whichever one. But if you want a quick response, I will be in email most of the time. Now, if you're one of those late night people at 2 a.m., you're going to send an email, well, you'll have to wait a little while to get it back. But if you email me at 7 o'clock at night, you'll probably get a reply by 7:15. That's how fast I am with emails. Okay? So email me, Google Voice if you want to set up a voice call. Text it first, then we'll set up the time to call. And Moodle messages, you can do at any time. That's the thing. Now, remember, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to work hard in this class. It's going to be a hard class. You're going to put a lot of effort into it, but you're going to learn a lot. And it's going to be fun. But if you have any questions about AP Hug, please email me at doguerra@odysseyk12.org.